Hello, all you people. I am so excited. I just got my mini chainsaw. Comes in this cool little carrying case with all of the equipment. Comes with 2 batteries. This is a backup battery. The other battery has already been put onto the mini chainsaw. Comes with cool gloves for your safety. Cool little safety goggles for your safety. The lubricant goes right in here, easy remove. Pour in some chainsaw lubricant, put the cover back on, put your safety goggles on. Safety first, everybody. Comes with 2 chains, an extra chain. This is a saw chain mini 1/4 inch. The other chain has already been installed. Comes with a longer chain if you want a longer sword. And that's pretty much it. Very simple, very lightweight. Does have a safety feature. You press the safety and you turn on the throttle. I will now, and I've never done this, but I'm gonna go try and cut down a palm frond. Wish me luck. Easy, lightweight handling, one hand on the ladder, one hand used to cut. One hand cutting down palm frond. Easy as peasy. Nice.